If you're having problems with your PowerBeats, this is how you can fix those problems in about 15 seconds. I'm Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. The easiest way to fix most PowerBeats problems is to open the case, and then you're going to leave these in, but you're going to look for this little button right here. So that button right there is tied into this light. So I'm going to push and hold this button, and we're going to watch the light, and we're going to hold that for about 15 seconds until the light on the front starts to flash, and it's going to flash like a red or an orange. And once you see that, it's going to mean that the PowerBeats Pro have reset. So the light is now flashing, so we're going to let that complete, and now our PowerBeats have been reset. So all we need to do is reconnect them to our iPhone. So we'll put our iPhone down here. We'll open these up. And you'll see that the PowerBeats Pro have shown up here, just like normal. I'm going to hit connect, and they're going to reconnect to my iPhone. You may need to also reconnect them to your MacBook or some of your other devices, depending on how quickly your iCloud syncing goes. But they're now reconnected and repaired, and that basically will solve a ton of problems, anything from a scratchy / staticky connection to them not connecting easily to all of your devices. By resetting your PowerBeats Pro, you're going to solve most of those problems very quickly, and in my experience, that will get you back to listening to your music right away. If you have other issues, you may need to contact Apple for more support. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more from Gotta Be Mobile.